So with the Daawat, we always say it's always good food for a good cause. And the hope and dream is from this year onwards, it's also about making Bombay green again. Hi, I'm Sameer. I'm one of the co-founders of the Bombay Canteen, and we're super excited to be entering the 10th year of the Independence Day Daawat. And we couldn't be happier that as we enter the 10th Daawat that we are partnering with Radha. She's the founder of the RPG Foundation, and they've been doing amazing work.
Very happy that you're partnering with us on the Green Corridor, which is a truly Bombay project. Climate has been on really all our minds at this point. As Bombay people, of course, it's something that we're feeling a lot. We're seeing a lot of urbanization of our city, more and more development happening. The Green Corridor is really an endeavor to try and bring back more trees, more plants into our city. So the idea with the Green Corridor is that if we could plant the same kind of native species which are part of SGNP that are native to this land, we can encourage the birds, butterflies, flora, fauna which thrive in that park to actually kind of thrive into the city. It could lower our temperature, it could help with improving our water table. These two parks that we are actually launching our Green Corridor with, we are going to feature 200 plus native species. And we're hoping that these two little parks actually become micro ecosystems where there are interesting birds and butterflies that we get to see in them.
So with the Daawat, we always say it's always good food for a good cause. And the hope and dream is from this year onwards, it's also about making Bombay green again.